Hi, I'm Amelia, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make some delicious salad dressings using Frnds products. There's nothing like a nice healthy salad, but adding a dressing can really help to elevate the flavour. For our first recipe, you will need 1 tablespoon of Forever Bee honey, 55 grams of salted peanuts, 180 millilitres of vegetable stock, 3 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of Forever aloe vera gel. All you need to do is add all of the ingredients into a food processor or blender and then just blend until smooth. This recipe will suit an Asian-style salad reminiscent of a stir-fry. For our second recipe, you will need 100 millilitres of olive oil, 4 tablespoons of lemon juice, 3 tablespoons of Forever Bee honey, salt and pepper, and 1 teaspoon of aloe peaches. Simply whisk together the olive oil, lemon juice, honey, aloe peaches, and a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. This dressing will go really well with a quinoa salad, especially if you're pairing it with some crumbled feta and orange segments. For our third recipe, you will need 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of Forever Bee honey, 1 crushed garlic clove, 1 teaspoon of balsamic vinegar, 6 tablespoons of olive oil, and salt and pepper to taste. Simply throw all the ingredients into a jar, secure the lid tightly and give it a good shake. This honey and mustard dressing has a little bit of a kick, so it's perfect for adding flavour to any salad. And there we go, there's 3 salad dressings that will instantly make your lunches even more tasty.